And this is Ken Kraetzer for CBSI and PACE, a professional association for customer engagement here in Washington at their Leadership Summit. And I had the chance to speak with a distinguished regulator, the Attorney General of the state of Idaho, Lawrence Wasden. And Mr. Attorney General, you spoke today, key comment about the importance of trade, industry, talking and working with Attorney Generals so that each understands what they're doing. Can you just mention a little more about that?
Certainly. It's really important for me as my function as a regulator to understand what industry is doing. I can't do that unless people are willing to sit down and talk with me. And the opportunity for that really comes when there's not some sort of issue in conflict. So to sit down and have a conversation so I understand what your industry is, how it operates, why you make decisions you do is really important. What that does for me is it gives me the opportunity to have much better decisions that I make, the greater credibility, greater accuracy in the decisions that I make. So it's very important that we sit down and have a conversation.
And you mentioned the importance of self-regulation within industries and companies. Why is that something that the Attorney Generals view as an important aspect for companies to manage themselves?
Well, the first thing that self-regulation does is it sets the fact pattern for the respective companies and industry so that we don't end up having a conflict conversation. Because you've controlled the facts. You have set your standard. You have met the ethical and legal requirements by doing that, and it makes the conversations we have much, much more productive.
And what is the most important thing for companies and trade and industries to know about the role of state attorney generals?
We have a function that's both regulatory and also fosters our economy in our state. But we have that variety of hats, and so it's important to understand the character of the Attorney General in the states in which you operate. Know how they think. You can only get to do that if you actually speak to them and understand how they think and how they approach their responsibilities.
Mr. Attorney General Lawrence Wasden from Idaho, thank you so much for coming to Washington and talking with us at the PACE Professional Association for Customer Engagement.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the opportunity.
This is Ken Kraetzer in Washington for PACE and for CBSI.